What is up, you guys, and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. So we're going to start off by moisturizing the face. So today I'm going to be using my e.l.f. poreless face primer, and I actually seen a video on this where like underneath all of this right here is nothing but like this little itty bitty thing. Maybe one day I'll open it up, but for now I still have some in there. So I'm just gonna pump some. I'm kind of babysitting, so I have my door open, so if you start hearing a little bit of cocoa, you know what it is. Now that that is everywhere, I'm gonna start filling in our eyebrows. And I use my Beverly Hills Anastasia Brow Wiz. Y'all, my eyebrows need some help, but I'm letting them grow out because I know where my mistake is. Like right here, it's high, it goes higher than on this side, so I know where to fill it in. You just gotta make them look bushy, okay? Because then you go in and you clean it up. That's as good as they're gonna get right now because, like I said, they're just bushy right now and they need to be did, okay? So then I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just gonna clean them up. And what I usually do is I just kind of just take out the whole stick, and then I grab my my pointy thingy, I don't know, but we're gonna do that. Kind of just like rub it off. You don't want too much on there. And see, you kind of just like clean them up. It's simple. And then we're gonna go in with a brush and kind of like what's the word, blend it out. I always go in with my Real Technique. Yeah. So now that your eyebrows is done, you're gonna go in with some foundation. Recently, the foundation that I've been using my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup. It just seems to be the only color that actually matches that I have. I'm gonna be going in with one of these brushes. This is Real Technique as well. I actually got it at Walmart a while ago. I don't know if they still send it or sell it. I don't know, but we're gonna use this because I just love the way it feels. So I always just open it, kind of just like that. Ooh, too much, too much, too much, too much. And kind of just, I guess since I put too much, just spilling it everywhere, and kind of just rub it out. Make sure you get your neck. This is gonna be the quickest and the easiest get ready with me because like it's just to get ready with me, and it's gonna be like everyday makeup. Like I said, I don't do my makeup every day, but it's gonna be an everyday makeup. Oh my god, I look like I got no lips. Oh, my contacts. Our contacts are in. Now we can continue with the makeup process. Now we're gonna go in with some concealer. Just a little bit. You know, this is a simple get ready with me, everyday type of makeup look. You don't want to look too much. Also, we're gonna go in with some contour. And then you're gonna kind of just want to blend that out. I didn't wet any sponges, so we're kind of just gonna use this. Ooh, girl, you have some dandruff. So now we're gonna bake a little. So we're gonna go in with, this is my Urban Decay. We're gonna grab our sponge. Obviously I've used this one already. Kind of just throw it on there. I know I didn't have any like highlight here, but I'm still going to sharpen up my contour, I guess you can say, with my setting powder. Now we're gonna let that sit. Then you're gonna go in and put a little bit more contour there with some powder, and I'm gonna use my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm gonna go in with that same brush I used to blend it out. I kind of like just grab both. So now that we put that on there, we're gonna go in with a little bit more setting powder and kind of just set it, like I said, again, to sharpen it. Okay, to put on my lashes, if you haven't watched my video on my difference in lashes or lash glue, go watch it because it's the same routine. Hold on, let me check on this kid because he's quiet. He's just sitting in his high chair watching Coco. He's a good baby. The lash. Okay. So kind of just wait for that to dry a little, get a little tacky. Bro, I can never get the inner corner. Alright, I'm gonna do these off camera because I might be here for a little bit. And I am back with my lashes on. So now we are this close to being done. This close! So what you're gonna do now is take all that shit off, okay? You don't need it to sit no more. You are perfectly baked. And I always just go in with like a big brush. Kind of just wipe it off. And if you ever feel like you look too white after baking, I always go in with the same contour powder that I use. Kind of dip my big brush in there and kind of just spread it out across my face. Kind of just, like I said, grab both, not too much. So you see it's a little brown now. Okay, so next, we're like this close now. We were this close, now we're this close. We are almost done. Now we're gonna do our lips. Kind of just like line it. I kind of do that to like blend it out so it's not so harsh. And technically it looks like I already got some lipstick on, but you know what? We're gonna go in with our Fenty Beauty. And you know what? We're gonna go with like a easy updo hairstyle. Yeah, because I don't feel like straightening it or anything, so we're just gonna put it up today. Brush out those knots though. Kind of just pick it up. I like to go in sometimes with a messy bun style. There goes that dryer again. You know what, just like, you know, make a nice little bun on the top of your head. So now we're just gonna lay our edges, and since you are snatched and ready to go, okay, I am gonna go in with my Eco Styling Gel. And I don't know what the hell is on this. I gotta wash this brush, it's like so hard. This kid, I think he's bored now. Kind of just like dap it in there, and I'm gonna do the back of my head. You know what? We're gonna just put our whole hand in there, pick some up, so it's not falling out later. I like for my little sideburns to be out. So now we're gonna oh my god, girl, you got dandruff everywhere. You know what? This is as good as it's gonna get today, because oh my god, and this dandruff is like really bad. So if you guys have some like home remedies on some dandruff, let a girl know, okay? And I don't like how big the bun is right now, so I'm kind of just gonna grab another hair tie and kind of just go around it again and make it a little bit nicer. There you go. This is the final look. This is the easiest get ready with me. You know what? Let's add a little bit of mascara to the bottom. Where did I put it? Oh, we gotta set our face with some setting spray. I should have did that before I put on my mascara. We're gonna go in with our Maybelline. Gonna go far because I just put mascara on the bottom. Alright, you guys, that is this look. Easiest get ready with me you will ever see on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. Oh, and I'll see you in my next video.